Meditation video number 5. Mind and the Science of Thoughts.
How is a thought generated in the mind? We have 5 sensory organs and a memory. Ears, nose, skin, eyes and tongue. They are the primary source of input to the brain, memory being the secondary source. Sensory organs respond to the external objects and events. What we see is the outcome of the input to the eye. This process of seeing generates a thought. Scientifically, the flow of energy between the object and the eye is transmitted to the brain as a signal through the nerves. Nerves are the carrier of the electric signal. The signal is handed over to the brain. Every signal has an electromagnetic field. Brain processes the signal and generates an output called thought. Thought may or may not lead to an action. Action can be physical or logical. Logical means that IT can trigger more thoughts which can lead to more actions. Every input has to have an output. Therefore, the signal which flowed from the sensory organs will result in an output called thought. By now we know the sequence of thought generation scientifically. Now we move to the next step of understanding how is a particular type of thought generated. While we saw the scientific functioning of the process of thought generation, now we will see the source code or the programming of the brain to understand how is the processing happening inside the brain. Source code is nothing but the upbringing and the values imbibed in an individual during their formative years. Source code is nothing but dharma. This upbringing is what makes one generate the kind of thoughts one is constantly infested with. In the next video number 6, we will discuss dharma in detail, as it is important to understand the basis of the origin of all our thoughts.